Looking for a garage that truly has it all? Well, you found it. This incredible 36 by 32 attached garage is insulated, heated, and ready for whatever you need, whether it's parking, extra storage, hobbies, or the ultimate workshop. Step inside and you'll be welcomed by a spacious foyer that flows into a large living room and open floor plan. The kitchen has a nice layout with a built-in range, double oven, generous countertop, and cupboard space. On the main level, there are 2 bedrooms plus a private office space, and there's a 3rd bedroom on the upper level. My name is Barb Roll-Wyzga. If you'd like more information on this home or time to see it, please call me at 517-712-8009.